Hello guys, so I got something new to do today and then I said why not bringing you guys with me. So I got this car here that need a fuel pump because I'll show you guys what's up with it. It needs a fuel pump because it's leaking fuel and the fuel pump is cracked, as you guys can see here. So we're gonna replace the fuel pump. So all right guys, so I don't have any fancy tools I'm using right now. As you guys can see, I'm not even using my gloves. So all we're gonna have to do, there's a clip behind there. Gonna press it in so we can pull the fuel line out. Just like that, it's out. Next one, we're gonna unplug those connectors. Let me get something else. I went and get this. So let's and pull the connector out. Okay. Damn, this thing is, just because of the fuel that be getting in there, it's corroded. But anyway, so okay. Oh yeah, look at that guys, look at that. Look at those nasty blue watercolor water. All these are the fuel. All right, so like I said earlier on, I don't have any fancy tools with me. All I had is those two, flathead screwdriver and the hammer. All right, so just like that guys, as you guys can see, we got the ring out. I got it in my hands here. The ring is out. I'll put it on the side and we're just gonna wiggle this, try to get it out. The smell of the fuel is so strong in here, it's killing me. Okay. All right, so now alright guys, so we're gonna do the same thing we did on the driver's side on this side, because we need it's gonna be the same thing. So we get it out. All right, so I got the hoses disconnected. So now we can go on the other side and pull the fuel out, pull the fuel pump out. So let me set you guys back on this side. All right, let's go pull it out now. All right, so as you guys can see, that's how I'm getting it out. So all these gonna need to be replaced. Little gas that was here, the little fuel, the rest just passing this to get it out. All right, so I got the new gasket. Put it in, and once we in, so I got the new fuel pump here, so I need to remove this on the floater. Because this is what's controlling your fuel level. This here, that's what's controlling your fuel level. So, all right, so let's push it in. Let's push it in so we can catch it on the other side. Let me see if I can catch it on the other side and pull it out. So I'm gonna try it in there. This is where I can find it. All right. Okay. All right, guys. So we're just gonna set it down just like that. Okay, let's go on the other side. All right guys, so let's put this back in there. Now, okay, so we get it. Okay, that's okay. That's it. And now we push it back in. Okay. Okay. And these are 8mm screws. just like that, guys. So we're done with this side, so let's go on the other side. All right, yeah, so let's get the fuel pump back on its place. Pull it back out. The gasket is coming out. It's not sitting right, so let's pull it back out. Let me show that. Okay, so now, okay. So just like that, guys. So we got the fuel pump back in. So let's start the car to see if we're gonna have anything falling out again. The car is running, guys, so the fuel pump is going on. The fuel pump is on, but it's not leaking anymore, so there's no more leaks on the fuel. I mean, there's no more leaks here, so I'm just gonna put the cover back in and vacuum the back seat. And so as you guys can see here, the car is running. And this is the old fuel pump, so we got the new one in there, obviously. So we're gonna clean the back seat. Gonna go and clean the back seat before I can put the seat back on the car. And the car smells like fuel, because on the bad fuel pump, on the old fuel pump, when you start the car, the fuel used to go up on the seat. So but yeah, guys, so I'm gonna go and clean it, clean the back seat, and I have some more stuff to do on it. I have to do spark plugs, air filter on it, so stay tuned for that, guys. And thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next video. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you.